Ciao, I got my order from Temu. So this is the first time I ordered. So yung luggage, dito ako may nakita. Pero yung luggage ng pants. Ito yung charger. Charging station. Below. So 4 items. Let's see kung maganda yung fit. Ito one. And this is the charging station. Charging stand. For iPhone, for iWatch. So may isang cool din siya. Let's see if it works. But maybe in China. There's some cable. Just this one. For this one. Tapos ito yung sweater. Tinry ko lang yung tema. And okay lang. Kaso, yun know, pag anong medyo low quality. Parang I paid 1,520 for all the items, 4 items. Kasi I got a voucher ng 500 discount. But I ordered the luggage. Nasa 4 or 5 din. Mga end of the month pa yung luggage. Check ko lang yung lock nito kung magkano. Wait. I-dissolve siya sa water kasi nalagay sa water. Kasi iwasan naman ito sa area. It's a bit effective. Hindi ko alam kung yung buntis yun o ano. Yung chips dun sa garden yung lagay naman di sila yung chips dun. Ayan o. Mix na siya. So ilalagay lang doon sa more dun sa area. Tapos di nila lalagyan. Cute ng color mo. Okay, pasyal-pasyal nila dyan. Okay lang. Yun lang dito. Nagpupupo sila kasi. Dapat doon lang sa likod. So dito lang natin in between. Kasi natin nakalitan mo. Tapos tapos may pupo dyan. So yun ang bulang ito natin. Kaya papaho tayo. Tapos yung kinat natin last time. Yung mga next sprout. Dam. Kalamansi. Starting from Palengke, it's 6:34. Starting at 5. this pampalo. This pampalo and ito ginagataan tulingan. Yung pampalo 400 per kilo ba o hindi ba na 450 pa? Ito bago pa ano mo kasi 500 ayun pampano din 1 kilo yung pampano yung ating palagi tsaka dawa ng sabi hindi na natin na alagaw miss para hindi ka maano ang pampa gabi ko gabi Tantanina ulan. Sa ulan. Pati kulog. Wow, it's your kuya. We're back in the kitchen here sa condo. August, and today is the monthly gathering of Kapamilya. So dito ta assign in my place for the gathering. So with the funds that we have, I got for salad cucumber kasi merong request si Almond for the cucumber salad. I got kasi merong ano yun medyo spicy, so putting that, pinakurat, Chinese soy sauce, and there's another chili garlic, and I love this pinakurat. This is a semi-sweet, and then with peanut butter. Ito pa yung tira namin ng swimming last time. Preparing pasta carbonara later with anchovies. And ayos ko na rin yung I got some bread, may chicken, and of course itong utensils natin. So hindi pa ready yung taas. September pa naka-schedule para ayusin yung ceiling. But then we agreed naman na So for the carbonara, I'm putting some hot and spicy to it. That's the anchovies. So we'll prepare some prezzemolo. We're putting 3 different kinds of cheese to the carbonara. Wait.